Hey, what's up you guys? This is bugemalot, and today I'm going to show you how to install a drip system. So I want to give a big shout out to Mr. Robert for asking me to make this video. So I'm going to show you some of the pieces you guys need, okay? You're going to need, of course, your timer, okay? You're going to need a pressure regulator. Then you're going to need your main hose, which comes in a big old roll, you guys. Then you're going to need some spaghetti string right here. Okay, you're going to need your adapter for the spaghetti string, your emitter, and then for your big lines, you're going to need some of these right here. Either some 90-degree angles, some straights, or T's. I don't know if you can see that. They're inside the bag, you guys, but they're just T's if you need to split the line for whatever reason. Okay, they also make smaller T's for your spaghetti, for your spaghetti tubing, okay? And the most important part of the whole system, you guys, is going to be these goof plugs, because sometimes we mess up, you guys. So this will plug the hole for you, okay? Or if you need to take one of the emitters out or whatever, it is going to help you out a lot, so you're not dripping water all over the place, right? And then the last thing you're going to need to do is get a tie to close the system. And of course, this is the one tool that you guys need, and this is the only tool you're going to need for your whole system, you guys. All right, so let's get started. So you guys, this system is pretty much built like Legos. It's pretty much a water Lego. That's all it is. All right, so you can see here's my spigot, and then this thing just connects in like a hose, like you would a hose. Just turn it and it connects. I'll give you an example of that right now, okay? So this is your pressure regulator, you guys. I don't know what the pressure from my pipes are or what they are in your city, but this right here would bring it down to the exact pressure that you need so that you don't bust this pipe. All right, and this one screws on just like a hose. All right, now from there you're gonna need something to adapt to this. This is the only one that I have, you guys, but I'll show you how it goes in. All right, so at the bottom of that is gonna look like this, you guys. All right, all the pieces pretty much look like this, and all you have to do is put it into this piping right here. You insert it and press in hard, because it fits very tight. Okay, once you have it put in, it's gonna look like that. Then all you have to do is screw this into here. Okay, just screw it in and you're done with your first part. So now you have a pipe. So on this one right here, it comes up to here. You guys, this comes in a big old roll and it will not unfold. So you're gonna have to measure and cut, okay? Once you cut the line, then you start putting your elbows in, like this one that I showed you, the 90-degree. All right, and then you're gonna run your line again to your desired length, cut, and then put your next angle in. So you'll continue the process. It's the same thing. You're gonna do it all the way around till you get to all the plants that you need. All right, so once you're done fitting all your piping in, now we're gonna have to put your spaghetti string in there, you guys. So you're gonna need one of these connectors, right? And you're gonna put it in the spaghetti string. Like I said, just like Legos, you guys, just press it in. It's a tight fitting, right? And then you're gonna have to make a hole in your main line. Okay, to make the hole, you're gonna use this tool again, which has a needle inside, you see? So all you do is put it over the pipe, press in, and it'll create a hole. All right, now since you have your two pieces together, you're gonna insert this into the hole till you hear it click or a little pop. You'll know when it's in there. It's a very tight fit, so you'll know. And then of course, the star of the show, your drip emitter. All right, all you have to do is grab this again, and like a Lego, just put it in and then press in till it snaps in there real good. You'll feel it. Once it can go in, you'll feel it. All right, so once you're done with everything, you guys, of course, since there's a straight tube, you're gonna have to close it off, and I'll show you how to close this off right now. So you're gonna need this piece right here. All right, and all you're gonna do is pretty much put it in the pipe like that, okay? And once it's in the pipe, you guys, you're gonna have to fold it over like this. Oh, where you go? Right there, okay. Just fold the pipe over and then insert it to right there. I only have one hand at the moment, you guys. I'm trying to be the cameraman. And then just put it in there like that. Okay, it'll fit in there just like the other one. Alright, there you go. And that will close your system, you guys. So now you guys know how to install a drip system. It's very easy, you guys. Well, I hope this guys helped you out. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. That would really help me out, you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.